Replacing an MA5603T fan tray. Please pay attention to these items. Loosen the captive screws on the fan tray. Hold the handle of the fan tray to separate the fan tray from the backplane connector. Please pay attention to these items. After the fan stops rotating, pull out the fan tray smoothly along the slot and dispose of the fan tray according to the specifications. Slide a new fan tray into the service sub-rack along the guide rails of the slot. Tighten the captive screws on the panel of the fan tray. Check the status indicator on the fan tray. If the indicator blinks green, the fan tray is running properly.